Hello dear student, how are you all? Today we will discuss some creative question from measurement chapter 3, okay, which is related to rectangle and solid, rectangular solid. So let's start. The length of a rectangular field is 3 times its breadth. To cover the field by gross on amount of taka 1102.50 is spent at the rate of taka 7.50 per square meter of that field. Okay, so number A, find the area of the field. Number B, find the length and breadth of the rectangular field. And C, how many stones of each 25 centimeter square size stones will be needed to construct a square room of which perimeter is equal to the perimeter of the rectangular field. Okay, so at first to find the area of the field, we need to know what is the length and what is the breadth. Here okay, before that we can find out the area by dividing a total spent divided by per square meter spent. So here total spent is 1102.50 taka, and per square meter cost is 7.50 taka. Okay, so the area of that field will be total cost divided by per square meter cost. Okay, here total cost is 1102 taka 50 paisa, and per square meter cost is 7.50 taka. Okay, if we divide 1102.50 divided by 7.50, we will get 147 square meter. Here a square meter is the unit of the area. Okay, therefore the area of the field is 147 square meter. Okay, so find the length and breadth of the rectangular field. Number B, here given the length of the rectangular field is 3 times its breadth. So here we don't know the breadth and also we don't know the length, but here is the clue is if we take the breadth as a variable x, then we'll get the length, which is 3 times of breadth. So here the breadth is x meter, so the length will be 3 times of the breadth, so 3 into x meter. So we know the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so the area of the field equal to length into breadth, equal here length is 3x meter and the breadth is x meter. Okay, so 3x into x equal 3x square meter. Okay, so according to question, here this area is equal to the area of the 147 square meter. So 3x square equal to 147. Here x square equal to 147 divided by 3. Okay, if we divide 147 divided by 3, we will get 49. So x equal root over 49. So if we take root of 49, we will get 7. Therefore x equal to 7. So the length, the breadth is 7 meter. So what will be the length? 3 times of breadth. So 3x equal to 3 into x equal to 21 meter. So here breadth is 7 meter and length is 21 meter. And number C, how many stones of each 25 centimeter square size stones will be needed to construct a square room of which perimeter is equal to the perimeter of the rectangular field. Okay, here at first we need to find out the perimeter of the rectangular field. So we know the formula of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So here perimeter of the rectangular field is 2 into length plus breadth unit. Okay, so 2 into length equal 21 and the breadth equal 7. So 21 plus 7 equal 28. 2 into 28 equal to 56 meter. Okay, so therefore the perimeter of the square field is equal to the perimeter of the square room. Okay, so perimeter of the square field equal to the perimeter of the rectangular field equal to 56 meter. So to find out the length of one side of any square, we need to divide perimeter by 4. Okay, because we know that formula of perimeter of a square equal to 4a, where a is the length of one side. Okay, so from here we get perimeter divided by 4. Okay, one side equal perimeter divided by 4. Here perimeter equal to 56 and divided by 4 equal 14 meter. So area of the square equal one side square, so one side equal 14 meter, so 14 meter square equal 14 square equal to 196 square meter. Okay, so again we need to find the area of the stone. Here one side of the stone is 25 centimeter, so the area of the stone equal 25 centimeter. If you convert 25 centimeter into meter, we will get 25 divided by 100 equal 0.25 meter. Okay, so from here area of the stone will be 0.25 meter whole square. So 0.25 meter whole square equals 0.0625 square meter. So the required stone will be area of the square room divided by area of the stone. So area of the square room equal 196 square meter and area of the stone equal 0.0625 square meter. Okay, so if we divide 196 divided by 0.0625, we will get 3136. So stone will be required 3136 pieces. Okay, let's move into another problem. Go to question number 6. Here the length of a rectangular garden is 3 times the breadth, an amount of taka 1911 is spent to plant grass in the garden at taka 13 per square meter. Okay, the length, breadth and the height of the room are 18 meters, 12 meters and 4 meters respectively. Express 8 inches in centimeter. Okay. And B, find the length and breadth of the garden, which is like previous math. And C, if air is 0.00129 times heavier than water, then find how many kilograms of air are in the room. Okay, so solution A, we know 1 inch equal 2.5 centimeter. Okay. When we need to convert a small unit to bigger unit, we need to multiply, and when we need to convert bigger unit to a small unit, we need to divide. Okay, so here 1 inch equal 2.54 centimeter, so 8 inch equal 2.54 into 8, it will be 2032 centimeter. Okay, and number B, find the length and breadth of the garden. Okay, here at first we need to find out the area of the garden. Here total cost to plant grass in the garden equal 1911 taka, and per square meter cost 13 taka. So and again, rectangular garden is the length of the rectangular garden is 3 times the breadth. Okay, so the breadth is x meter and the length will be 3 into x, 3x meter. So area will be length into breadth. Here 3x into x, 3x square meter, which is like before previous math. Again here total cost of grass is 1911 taka, per square meter cost is 13 taka. Okay, so area of the garden will be total cost divided by per square meter cost. 1911 divided by 13. So if you divide 1911 divided by 13, we will get 147. So area will be 147 square meter. So therefore the area of the field 147 square meter. Okay, then what will be the length and breadth? According to the question, here this is the area of the rectangular garden, and this is also the area of the rectangular garden. So according to the question, 3x square will be equal to 147. So 3x square equal to 147, or x square equal to 147 divided by 3 equal 49. Okay, so x equal root over 49, therefore x equal 7. So breadth is 7 meter and the length will be 3 into x, 3 into 7 equal 21 meter. Okay, and number C, to find out the volume of the rectangular solid body, we know that volume of the room equal length into breadth into height. So here length, breadth and height of room are 18 meters, 12 meters and 4 meters respectively. So length equal 18 meter, breadth 12 meter, height 4 meter. Okay, if you multiply all this, we will get 864 cubic meter. And we know the weight of 1 cubic meter water. 1 cubic meter water equal 1000 liter or 1000 kg. Okay, so what will be the weight of 864 cubic meter water? It will be 1000 into 864 meter. Okay, so we'll get this. Air is 0.00129 times heavier than water. So the weight of the air will be this number into 0.00129 times. Okay, because if this is the weight of water, so air is 0.00129 times heavier than the water, so it will be multiply of the weight of water. So if you multiply this number and this number, we will get this one. Okay, so the weight of air is 1114.56 kg. Okay, so thank you very much.